What if one of humanity's greatest mysteries isn't hidden in space, but buried deep beneath Antarctica? A frozen continent so hostile, so isolated, that humans barely understand what lies beneath it. For centuries, Antarctica was little more than a blank space on the map, a place of endless ice, extreme cold, and almost no life. But scientists would eventually discover something shocking, because hidden beneath miles of frozen ice exists an entire world. Massive underground lakes, ancient rivers trapped for millions of years, hidden mountain ranges larger than entire countries, and strange discoveries that scientists still struggle to fully explain. Some researchers believe Antarctica may hold clues about Earth's distant past. Others think something stranger may still be hidden there. Because every year, scientists continue finding things beneath the ice that raise more questions than answers. And perhaps the most unsettling truth of all is that humanity has explored more of the moon than what lies beneath Antarctica. So the real question is, what exactly is hidden under the ice? And why are scientists so obsessed with finding out? Tonight, we go beneath Antarctica. For a long time, scientists believed Antarctica was little more than a frozen wasteland, a dead continent covered in endless ice, too cold, too hostile, and too isolated to matter. But everything changed. Because as technology improved, scientists began seeing something impossible. Beneath the frozen surface, Antarctica wasn't empty. In fact, it was hiding an entire world. Using satellites, radar systems, and ice-penetrating technology, researchers discovered something shocking. Massive mountain ranges buried beneath the ice, ancient lakes trapped for millions of years, underground rivers flowing silently in complete darkness. Some of these lakes had remained untouched for longer than humans have existed, completely isolated from the outside world. And that terrified scientists. Because if life somehow survived in these hidden environments, it could completely change what we know about survival on Earth, or even life beyond Earth. Suddenly, Antarctica became far more than ice. It became one of the most mysterious scientific frontiers on the planet. And scientists couldn't stop searching, because every new discovery raised an unsettling question. What else is still hidden below? If Antarctica looks empty from above, that's because its greatest secrets are hidden far below. Beneath nearly 3 miles of ice, scientists discovered something almost impossible: an entire hidden landscape. Massive mountain ranges, deeper canyons than some found on Earth's surface, and more than 400 underground lakes. One of the strangest discoveries was something called Lake Vostok, a giant lake buried beneath over 2 miles of ice, completely sealed off from the outside world for millions of years. No sunlight, no fresh air, no contact with modern life. And yet, scientists began asking an unsettling question. Could something still be alive down there? Because on Earth, life has survived in places scientists once believed impossible. Boiling oceans, toxic caves, the deepest parts of the sea. So why not beneath Antarctica? Some researchers believe these hidden lakes may contain ancient microorganisms, organisms untouched for millions of years, living in complete darkness, completely isolated from the rest of the planet. And if life really can survive in such impossible environments, it changes something much bigger. Because suddenly, places like Mars or the icy moons of Jupiter no longer seem impossible for life. But Antarctica still holds one terrifying mystery. Scientists haven't explored most of what lies below, meaning something may still be waiting to be discovered. As scientists explored deeper beneath Antarctica, the discoveries only became stranger. Because some things found beneath the ice didn't behave the way researchers expected. In certain areas, scientists detected unusual signals beneath the frozen surface. Strange radar reflections, unusual underground formations, and massive hidden structures buried under miles of ice. At first, researchers believed these discoveries were simple geological formations, natural rock, ancient frozen movement, nothing unusual. But some discoveries raised more questions than answers. In 2018, scientists discovered an enormous hidden canyon system beneath Antarctica, a landscape completely invisible from the surface, almost like an ancient lost world, frozen in time. Then there were the strange heat anomalies. In some places, scientists found unusual geothermal activity beneath the ice, heat coming from below, in one of the coldest places on Earth. And that changed everything. Because hidden warmth means hidden movement, hidden water, and perhaps hidden ecosystems. But Antarctica's strangest mystery may be something even scientists rarely talk about. Because despite decades of research, much of Antarctica still remains unexplored. And in science, the unknown is often where the biggest discoveries happen. So the question remains, what exactly are scientists still trying to understand beneath the ice? By now, you might think scientists fully understand Antarctica, but the truth is, they don't. Because despite decades of exploration, Antarctica still holds mysteries researchers struggle to explain. One of the strangest examples came from something scientists detected beneath the ice. Unusual radar reflections, signals that didn't always behave as expected. In some regions, researchers found patterns that appeared unusual enough to deserve closer investigation. Not proof of anything impossible, but enough to raise questions. Then came another unsettling discovery. Scientists found evidence of enormous subglacial water systems, entire rivers flowing silently beneath miles of ice, completely hidden from the surface. And because these environments are so isolated, researchers still don't fully understand what might exist there. Ancient microorganisms? Completely unknown ecosystems? Or clues about how life survives in impossible places? Some scientists even believe Antarctica may help answer one of humanity's biggest questions. Could life survive beyond Earth? Because if organisms can survive beneath crushing ice, without sunlight, in freezing darkness, then perhaps life could survive beneath Mars, or even beneath the icy oceans of distant moons, and suddenly Antarctica stops feeling like a frozen desert and starts feeling like a doorway to something much bigger. Because sometimes the most important discoveries on Earth are hidden in the places humans understand the least. Antarctica may look silent from a distance, but for scientists working there, it can feel terrifying. Because Antarctica is one of the most dangerous places on Earth, temperatures can fall below -80 degrees Celsius. Strong winds can reach hurricane force, and during winter, entire regions disappear into complete darkness for months. No sunlight, no rescue, no easy way home. Even the simplest mistake can become deadly. And yet, despite all of this, scientists continue returning. Because Antarctica hides something researchers cannot ignore: the unknown. Some researchers describe working there as strangely unsettling, a place so isolated it almost feels disconnected from the rest of the world. No cities, no wildlife, just endless silence. And beneath your feet, miles of ice hiding things humans still don't fully understand. Then there's another fear scientists rarely talk about. What happens if Antarctica still hides ancient microorganisms? Life forms trapped beneath the ice for millions of years, completely isolated from modern Earth. Unknown, untested, and perhaps unlike anything alive today. Because every new discovery in Antarctica raises the same unsettling possibility. The deeper scientists go, the stranger things become. Whenever scientists discover something mysterious, the theories always begin. And Antarctica may be one of the most mysterious places on Earth. Over the years, people have proposed countless ideas about what might exist beneath the ice. Some believe Antarctica could hide evidence of an ancient lost ecosystem, a forgotten world trapped beneath ice for millions of years. Others suggest something even stranger. Could Antarctica preserve clues from Earth's distant past? Ancient environments, unknown species, or life forms that evolved in complete isolation? Then there are the more extreme theories: hidden civilizations, lost technology, even rumors of strange structures buried beneath the ice. But scientists remain careful because extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. And so far, there is no scientific proof of hidden civilizations beneath Antarctica. No confirmed alien discovery, no secret underground city. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Scientists still haven't explored most of what lies below, meaning we cannot fully rule out what we have yet to discover. Because history has taught us something important. The greatest discoveries often happen in places humanity least understands, and Antarctica may still be one of those places. A frozen continent still keeping secrets beneath the ice. So, what is really hidden beneath Antarctica? The truth is, scientists still don't fully know. And perhaps that's what makes Antarctica so fascinating. Because beneath miles of frozen ice exists a world humanity has barely explored. Ancient lakes untouched for millions of years. Hidden rivers moving silently in darkness. Buried mountain ranges larger than entire countries. And mysteries scientists are still trying to understand. No confirmed alien discovery, no proven hidden civilization, no secret answers buried beneath the ice. At least, not yet. But history has shown something remarkable. The greatest discoveries often begin with questions. Questions people once thought impossible. Could humans reach the moon? Could life survive in extreme environments? Could something exist where we least expected? And Antarctica reminds us that Earth still holds secrets, even in the modern world. Perhaps the strangest part of all is realizing we know more about distant planets than parts of our own world. Because somewhere beneath Antarctica's endless frozen silence, something may still be waiting to be discovered. And maybe the next discovery could completely change what we know about Earth, or even life itself. So let me ask you something. What do you think is really hidden beneath Antarctica? A forgotten world? Ancient life? Or simply mysteries science hasn't solved yet? Leave your thoughts in the comments. And if you love space mysteries, hidden discoveries, and the terrifying secrets of our universe, subscribe to Into the Cosmos, because the next mystery might be even stranger.